packaging. And then this is what the sound machine looks like outside of packaging. So as you can see, the speaker's on the front, and on the bottom is the battery compartment. So it operates on 3 AA batteries, which are not included. However, it does include an AC adapter, so you can either utilize batteries or the AC adapter, and this is what the AC adapter looks like, and this is where you plug it in. On the front, let me show you the features. This is the on-off button, so simply press it on, it will illuminate. Beside of that is a timer, so you can set a timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, so you have the option of leaving the sound machine on all night long or setting the timer. So if I press the timer button once, you'll see 15 is illuminated. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 15 minutes and then will shut off automatically after that 15-minute time period. If I press it again, 30 is illuminated. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 30 minutes and then will shut off automatically after that time period. If I press it a third time, the 60 minutes will illuminate. That means the sound machine will stay on for 60 minutes and will shut off after 60 minutes. To simply turn the timer off, you press it again. The timer is now off. Adjacent to the timer button is the volume control. So you have volume up and volume down. You have 6 different sounds. I'll go through them. You have the white noise, which you hear now, rain, ocean, brook, summer night, and thunder. So let me turn this up a little. This is the white noise. This is rain. This is the ocean. The brook. Summer night. And thunder. So to turn the machine off, you simply press the on-off button again. You'll notice the light goes off and the sound machine is off. So once again, this is our adult sound machine, and welcome to Big Red Rooster.